What we are going to learn in this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to build confidence while speaking English. Many people feel shy or nervous when they speak, especially in front of others. Don't worry, this is normal. We will explore simple ways to overcome fear, gain confidence, and speak English fluently with ease. 1. Understand the root cause of shyness. Shyness and nervousness often come from fear of making mistakes. Some learners are afraid that others will laugh at them or judge their English. Others worry about grammar, pronunciation, or forgetting words while speaking. How to fix this? Remember, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. English is a tool for communication, not a test. Focus on expressing your message, not on being perfect. 2. Start with small steps. Begin speaking in English with yourself or with someone you trust. Talk in front of a mirror or record your voice and listen to it. Practice short sentences every day. Why this helps? You become familiar with your voice and speaking style. You feel less pressure because no one is watching you. 3. Build a daily speaking habit. Practice is the key to confidence. Speak English daily, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Talk about your day. Describe things around you, or narrate your actions. Ideas for daily practice. Describe what you see in your room. Talk about what you ate or plan to eat. Share your thoughts or feelings aloud. 4. Use simple English first. You don't need big or difficult words to speak well. Use simple, everyday English to express your ideas. The more simple your language is, the clearer your message becomes. Examples. Instead of saying, "I am feeling a bit under the weather," say, "I'm not feeling well." Instead of, "I would appreciate it if you could assist me," say, "Please help me." 5. Join a friendly speaking group. Practice with others who are also learning English. Find a speaking partner or join an online conversation group. A group of learners helps you stay motivated and improves your confidence. Benefits of a group. You learn from others' mistakes. You get support and encouragement. You feel less alone in your learning journey. 6. Prepare before speaking. Think about what you want to say. Plan your ideas in your mind or write them down. Practice your sentences quietly before you speak out loud. Preparation helps you. Feel ready and calm before speaking. Speak more clearly and stay focused. Reduce your nervousness. 7. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are not a failure, they are a part of learning. When you make a mistake, note it and learn the correct way. Don't be afraid of making mistakes while speaking. How to respond to mistakes. Smile and correct yourself if needed. Continue speaking instead of stopping. Use each mistake as a lesson, not as shame. 8. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Thinking in English builds fluency and reduces hesitation. How to do it? Start by thinking in simple phrases. I am hungry. It's raining. I am tired. Then, move to short sentences and full thoughts. 9. Work on pronunciation slowly. Good pronunciation gives you confidence. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. Don't rush, speak slowly and clearly. Tips to improve pronunciation. Use apps or websites with audio clips. Record yourself and compare your voice with the original. Focus on one sound at a time. 10. Relax your body and mind. Nervousness often affects your body. You may feel shaky or tense. Before speaking, Take deep breaths and relax. Smile and keep a positive mindset. Ways to stay calm. Take 3 deep breaths before speaking. Remind yourself, it's okay to make mistakes. Keep your body posture open and confident. 11. Visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Picture yourself talking with others and enjoying the conversation. Visualization trains your brain to feel confident. Why this works? It prepares your mind to handle real situations. It builds positive energy and reduces fear. 12. Get inspired by others. Watch videos of people who speak English with confidence. Notice how they speak, how they pause, and how they smile. Learn their body language and tone. You can watch interviews, English learning channels, or public speakers. Focus more on their confidence than their grammar. 13. Reward yourself. Celebrate your small achievements. Each time you speak in English without fear, give yourself a reward. This creates positive feelings about speaking. Reward ideas. Watch your favorite show. Treat yourself with something you like. Write a positive note in your journal. 14. Practice public speaking gradually. Start speaking in small groups or record videos of yourself. Slowly increase your audience size. Try giving short speeches or storytelling in English. Topics to try. Talk about your favorite hobby. Share your daily routine. Tell a short story from your life. 15. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Comparing yourself to others can make you feel less confident. Focus on your own progress. Better approach. Track your own improvement week by week. Look back at how much better you speak now compared to before. Conclusion. What we have learned in this video. In this video, we learned that building confidence in English speaking takes time, practice, and patience. We understood that shyness and nervousness are normal, but they can be overcome with small steps like daily speaking practice, thinking in English, and preparing before speaking. We also learned that mistakes are okay, and using simple English can help us communicate more clearly. By following these tips regularly, you can speak English with more confidence. You will feel less shy and nervous in public. You'll enjoy learning and using English every day. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in yourself. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build with time,